Al just said, it's good getting up earlier. It's 9 a.m.
There's no one here at breakfast. It's all for us.
Because they've all had it and gone.
You know that's not true. You know they all do the last minute dash.
Yeah, that's true too.
Today we're going to the Rice Terraces to hopefully get some nice shots, and then we're going to
The Holy Springs.
the Holy Springs. Not my thing, but Deb wants to go to the Holy Springs, so we're going to check that out.
So, being our usual selves, we did a last minute thing and contacted one of the drivers. He was already booked from 1 p.m. today, so we've managed to schedule in a quick 2.5 hour session with him. So he said as long as he can get back for his next pickup at 1 p.m, he's happy to take us.
So Deb's told me to speak with a New South Wales accent, which means I've got to speak a little bit faster. So here we go. So our first destination was a 15-minute drive out of Ubud to Tegallalang Rice Terrace. They charge you 25,000 rupiah, which is only $2.50 per person, and that's nothing for the spectacular view you get to see. If you're young and fit, you can take a wonderful walk down through the rice terraces, down the steep hill and back up through the steep hills, but that's not me. So what I did instead, I flew my drone out and got some wonderful footage.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So after the rice fields, we've ended up coming to the Tirta Empul, which is the Holy Springs, and we've just entered. It's packed today, so many people here. The car park's absolutely chockers. Anyways, here's our ready. Let's go and check it out. We've only got a limited amount of time.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Before you walk into the temple, everybody has to wear a sarong or something that covers their legs. Also, if you're a female, you have to wear your hair up, and you can't go into the temple area if you're menstruating. We got to the Holy Springs, and our intention was to get into the water and do the ritual, but as we found out when we got there, the line was too long and we had a driver waiting for us who was on a time schedule, so this time we didn't get to do that. The Balinese Hindus consider the water to be holy, and it is a ritual that basically cleanses their soul and wards off evil spirits. Now, I know Alan wasn't keen to do this, so what I'm going to do is next week when my girlfriend Karen comes over to Bali for her holiday, I'll see if she wants to come back with me. Behind the purification pools, there's a section in a courtyard, and that's a place where people visit to pray.
A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The spring's actually amazing. It bubbles up from underneath the ground, and it has all these little fish swimming amongst the reeds in there.
Catch me if I fall.
As you exit the temple, you pass through a large courtyard which is walled on all four sides. So in the middle there's a pool with these giant koi fish. Now they get fed regularly from the tourist, so they're quite big and lazy.
Yeah, much like ourselves.
That was so nice, but unfortunately we came on a day that was a special day in Bali, so it was totally packed. But what we're going to do is come back another time, or at least I am, come back another time when it's not so special. Got pointy hair.
What have I got on my face? What are you filming? You don't just film me for no reason.
I did it to you once. I filmed you once when you had stuff on your nose.
I know, now I'm paranoid.
Came back to our hotel, grabbed some lunch, and now we're headed off again to Five Art Studio. We enjoyed our batik painting so much last time that we wanted to get in a second class before we left Ubud.
I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
This is our second time here. Last time we did the batik painting. Today we're doing the Keliki Painting, which is this thing here, miniature drawing. And we're going to first start out with pencil, then we're using a ink marker. Alan is now, what are you doing over there?
Mixing the ink, Chinese ink and water.
And then we're going to give it some colour.
Remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time.